Sa life natin, hindi natin kayang kontrolin the seasons. We cannot change the season. The only thing that we can change is how you want to change. Because changing the seasons, it's beyond of your control. But changing yourself is you're in control. So, kailangan ready tayong harapin yung dumarating sa buhay natin ng mga difficulties, yung ups and downs. Kailangan malagpasan yung nights, because after night there is another new day. Kailangan ready tayo, or alam natin kung paano i-handle yung tinatawag na winter. Ano ba yung mga winter moment natin sa buhay? Yung mga winter moment natin sa buhay, yun yung bumagsak yung business mo, na broken hearted ka, naghiwalay kayo ng karelasyon mo, hindi ka na-promote sa trabaho, or yung opportunity na gusto mo makuha, hindi dumating sa'yo. Those are the winter moments na kailangan natin lagpasan. That we need to handle that. How to handle that? Yun yung kailangan natin matutunan. How to handle those winters that comes to our life. Every difficulty or differences na dumarating sa atin sa buhay natin, there's an opportunity after that. Laging meron at merong darating na magandang bagay sa atin after you pass those winter's moments sa buhay natin. And of course, dapat ready ka. And for you to become ready, good thing, because God is with us. Siya yung pinaka-best weapon na meron tayo sa life natin. And kapag meron kang best weapon sa life mo, kahit anong unos, kahit anong winter moment na dumating sa buhay mo, malalagpasan mo yun. Because pinaka-greater sa lahat ng bagay is our God. He is greater of all the problems, of all the difficulties that we have. Napakalaki niya. At kahit sino man, walang pwedeng makapanakit sa atin, makagalaw sa atin, makapanira sa atin when you are with God. Hope this simple motivational talk, you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.